My name is Shruti and today I'm going to talk about depression. I'm not going to relate it to just myself because every 1 out of 5 people are going through depression, and this is something we really need to talk about as a society. I often see people feeling depressed when something wrong is going on in their life, like not getting the job that they wanted, having a breakup, or maybe having a conflict in the family. I would like to say that depression is not something that comes to us when something wrong is going on in our life. That's sadness. It's a normal human emotion that comes to us naturally. Sadness is not depression. Depression is the feeling of worthlessness and meaninglessness when everything is just right in your life. It's a condition when you're unable to pull yourself out of the bed in the morning, not because you're tired, but because you don't have a reason to get up. It generates a fear inside you, a fear of nothing else but a fear of facing yourself. And this fear becomes so big that it makes you too paralyzed to get help for yourself. The problem of depression has become so big that every 30 seconds it is making somebody take their life. It could be somebody in your neighborhood, your city, your country, or maybe some other country, but this is happening. Then what is stopping us from addressing the problem of depression? It is a strange but a true fact that we are totally accepting of any body part breaking down other than our brains. In most of the cases, we easily empathize and sympathize with the people going through physical illness, but when it comes to mental illness, it becomes a stigmatic topic. And the stigma is so big that it is working negatively at both the ends. Those who are going through depression are too embarrassed to share it out because they don't want to be seen as mentally unfit people in front of the society. Or in other words, they don't want to be called mad. On the other hand, we as a society are unable to understand the importance of it. We don't understand the severity of it. And the severity is this. It is making us lose people, especially youngsters who could otherwise have a very bright future. And like we all know, it has made us lose some amazingly positive and talented public figures as well. Then what are the measures that we need to take as a society to defeat depression? The first step to overcome any problem is to address it, to be accepting towards it. We need to understand why depression patients are unable to share their problems. According to me, it is basically due to two reasons. The first one is very obvious, that they feel like nobody would understand, or maybe they won't be taken seriously. The second one is, even though we are a friend or a family to them, they don't feel comfortable enough to share their heart out with us. If you see any of your loved one acting weird, like irritated towards everybody else, staying alone but not doing anything, or maybe deteriorating their health day by day, it could be a sign of depression. You should go and talk to them. Even if it's not depression, it could be some other problem that you can help with. We need to understand the meaning of connections. Give your parents, your children, your friends the space to share their heart out with you. If they would be more vocal about their problems, if they would be able to share it out with you, they would be less prone to problems like depression. We need to stop taking mental illness as a taboo. It is as usual and as common as any other physical illness. like diabetes or BP problems or heart problems and whatnot. It's high time we address this problem and educate each other about it. Always keep in mind your little attention can save somebody's life. Thank you.